Just in case you guys don't know that I'm a hair specialist, I'm going to be showing you guys how to hold the scissors. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tosin, and thanks for staying tuned. This video is actually for any stylist or any hairdressers out there. So this video is limited, but if you want to learn, you're welcome, because why do we learn? Because we want to acquire knowledge. I'm into haircut and I'm also into coloring, and give me any kinds of haircut styles, I will cut it for you. But basically for ladies, men are limited, so I know that sometimes some men like to have some sophisticated kind of haircut. I'll probably get better in the clipper aspect, but I'm not a fan of clippers. I'm more of a scissors user. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hold these scissors. You see, there are two holes in the scissors and they are playing a very major role, and you can see this brush that is here. There's a reason why this brush is here. It's very important that you guys know this. This scissors is especially for hairdressers, especially for stylists, professional stylists. Some tailors also use it, but this scissors is very limited to the kind of things you can cut with it. You can't use it to cut any kind of surface. The mouth can get blurred by using it on synthetic, so keep it out of every other uses. You can see it's basically meant for hair. See, I'm sure you must have seen these scissors a lot in different hair salons or cosmetics place that you've been to. For you that are not a hairstylist and you find yourself here, of course, as a subscriber, we all use scissors every day, so it's very important that we know how to hold scissors. These two holes have what they represent, okay, and this brush that is down here also have what it represents. I don't think it's all scissors that actually have this, but this particular one has this because of its use. This scissors is basically for only hair, that's human hair itself, so it's not meant for any extension, maybe like synthetic. If you use it to cut synthetic, it will blur the mouth of the scissors, and because it's quite expensive, I advise you to use another scissors for your extension and maintain this for your cutting hair. I'm into hair cutting, very good in coloring. I'm a hair specialist, so anything that has to do with your hair and treatment, product knowledge, I'm one of the best people you can call on. So let's dive into today's topic. I don't want it to be too long. This particular hole is meant for your ring finger, while this particular one that you're seeing is meant for your thumb, okay? So now let's go. This is your ring finger, so it can be on the right or on the left, depending on whichever hand that you use. So anyways, now let's start. I'm putting my ring finger in this hole. I have to release the other one so they don't hang in, while my thumb is going directly into this hole. See, the last one is resting here and your ring finger is on this hole while the thumb is here. So now you'll be asking that, how am I going to release these scissors, just in case I want to hold other things together? I know that there are some stylists that always give their equipment to apprentice to hold, or always drop and drop. If you're a professional stylist, you should get to a point where you can hold your tools with you. In fact, using one hand or your two hands without having to always drop them. For you to be able to release your hand, you use your index to push your thumb, and voila, it comes out, and that is it. So what you do, put your thumb, use your index, push it out, and that is it. So this is it. You go, put your thumb in, use your index finger to push your thumb out, and that is it. So let's go. You put your thumb, use your index finger, push it out, and you hold. Put your thumb, use your index finger, push it out, and there you go. Once again, put your thumb, use your index finger, push it out, and there you go. So it will help you to be able to hold other things with it. Imagine this is it, your thumb, index finger, push it out, there you go. When you want to cut, you put your thumb inside and you cut, and when you're done, you release, and that is it. And you see, you can comb your client's hair while you're still holding your scissors to it. You can hold as much as possible with this hand if you learn that techniques of having to hold your scissors very well. I'm going to be showing you with the straightener too. The same thing goes to the straightener too. A lot of people don't know how to do that. They rather drop or give it to the apprentice. Things has changed, you know. We have to be professional in our field. We have to know what we are doing. When you go abroad, that's what they do. That is how they operate. So I want us to get to that level where we start acting like a professional. Let's go one more time before the video comes to an end. This ring finger goes in, while this last one helped balance the scissors while you were able to use your thumb and Just in case you want to release your hands, you use your index finger to push it out, and voila, it's out, and you are able to hold other instruments in your hands while you're working. It's very important that you guys know all these things. And you can see these two hands help to safeguard this place, you know, for a better grip. While this one is playing around here, this place is meant for this last finger. This place is meant for your thumb. This hole is meant for your ring finger. Hope you got that right. So you can see last one resting here, ring finger here, your thumb here, and just in case you want to release your thumb, you can see the index finger is already waiting for the thumb to be released, and that is what it does. Voila. And now your hands are able to hold other instruments in your hands. So hope this video has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more how to do. I talk about productivity, relationship, I talk about lifestyle, beliefs, values, I talk about beauty and so on, just like I'm sharing now. Okay, so please do not forget to follow me by subscribing to my channel to support me, and let's create a growing community, a community that grows together, stays together. My name is Oluwatosin, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.